Selling your home, let's make sure it stands out from the rest. Before you list, let's get it market ready. This is the key to attracting some serious buyers and scoring the best price. Today, I'm sharing how to make your home shine and stand out in the competitive market. I remember one homeowner who thought their place was ready until the buyers walked in. They loved the neighborhood, but immediately noticed some small issues that could have been fixed really easily, and we ended up losing the offer altogether. That experience proves just how much the first impressions matter, whether it's your first time selling or you've sold before. Taking the right steps to prepare your home makes all the difference in the world. It helps your home sell faster and for more money, and with a way less stress. Before you make that big move, let's go over these steps to ensure your successful sell of your home. Number 1, clean and declutter. This is the foundation of any sale. The buyers need to be able to imagine themselves living in the space, and that's hard to do if personal items and clutter are everywhere. So start by removing the excess furniture and those personal photos, and make sure those surfaces, the carpets, the windows are all sparkling clean. If you can, hire a professional cleaner or an organizer to help out with this process. This can really elevate your home's presentation and make it stand out to those serious buyers. Number 2, make your home move-in ready. Before listing, take a close look at both the inside and the outside of your home. Let's fix those minor repairs like that leaky faucet, those cracked tiles, or peeling paint, and boost the curb appeal by mowing the lawn, trimming the bushes, and planting fresh flowers, and refreshing that front door with a coat of paint. Even these small improvements can add a huge impact, signaling to buyers that your home is both well-maintained and move-in ready, which attracts more serious offers. You can also conduct a pre-listing inspection to uncover some of those hidden issues to ensure your home makes the best possible first impression. Number 3, stage your home. Staging your home helps buyers see its full potentials. You don't have to go out and hire a professional stager, but it helps to rearrange the furniture to highlight the flow and functionality of the rooms. Considering renting modern neutral furniture if your pieces are a little outdated. Light neutral colors tend to make spaces look larger and more inviting, and never underestimate the power of a well-lit room. Number 4, price it right. Now that your home is looking the best possible, the next and most important step is to price it correctly. Setting the right price is crucial. If it's too high, you risk scaring off potential buyers. If it's too low, you won't get the full value of your home. As a local expert, I can help you analyze and compare sales in the area, both the current market trends and the buyer demand, to come up with a price that attracts offers and gets your home sold for the best return. It's important to trust a real estate professional who knows the neighborhood to help you set a competitive price. Number 5, let's partner with a great real estate agent. Selling your home is more than just putting a sign in the yard. A strong real estate agent helps you connect all of the dots, from preparation to pricing to marketing, negotiations, and timing. A good agent will guide you on which updates actually matter to help you avoid on over-improving on projects and position your home to attract the right buyers from day one. They also handle showings and feedback, negotiations, and any curveballs that might come up during the process. And most importantly, the right agent advocates for you. They protect your bottom line and keep the transaction on track and help reduce the stress so you can focus on your next move with confidence. Always remember, when your home is prepared well, priced correctly, and supported by a knowledgeable local expert, you put yourself in the strongest position possible for that successful sale. Preparing your home for sale doesn't have to be stressful. With the right strategy, simple updates, and smart staging, the process can be smooth and even exciting. If you're ready to get started or have questions about pricing, staging, marketing, give me a call or send me a message. Let's get your home sold at the best price in the shortest time.